You know, from emerging technologies and financial strategies to the latest healthcare developments, you would be surprised by the many factors coming into play. Welcome to Today in America. Let's learn how the latest technologies are advancing the human cause. They power the windows in your car, your dishwasher, and kitchen appliances, and keep your air conditioning running. Without them, our common comforts in life would not exist. But in the bliss of our cozy oblivion, we may take for granted that these are complicated devices running on the simple physics of electricity and magnetism. Most machines rely on electric motors, generators, and transformers to power themselves. The motors and generators need tightly wound wire coils in order to generate electromagnetic fields. Those wire coils, in turn, must be insulated against each other to prevent from short-circuiting and from disrupting our cushy lifestyles.
In use, a motor or transformer is exposed to a lot of different conditions: the weather, friction, vibration. If you think about this rotor, if these copper wires were bare, they wouldn't last very long in use. A secondary insulation is a resin that covers these and allows this piece to perform longer.
Their site hosts the largest capacity for reacted synthetic resins and specialty blends in the electrical insulation industry.
Over the years, the demands for quality and performance have required the development of specialty materials, epoxies, polyesters, that are designed specifically for the needs of this industry.
Due to the gradual growth of electric motor use across industries and increased environmental concerns, Allantis PDG has had to devise many innovative formulations. In order to meet a challenging requirement for lower volatile organic emissions levels, the company switched to low residual monomer polyesters, waterborne systems, and 100% solid systems. As technology advanced and the use of printed circuit boards and sensors gained prevalence, components were in need of protection from moisture, vibration, humidity, and chemicals. The electrical industry's answer was a new practice called potting.
Potting, or encapsulation, is a technique in which an electric or electronic device is added to a housing. A liquid material is then added and then fully cured. A common example is an airbag sensor in your car. A potting material protects the sensor, allowing the airbag to deploy only when needed.
When major use of potting was first developed in the 1950s, epoxy resins were typical. Now, as components have become more complex and demand higher performance, polyesters, phenolic resins, and acrylics have been introduced as a result of their distinct and unique property profiles.
Allantis has been in this industry for 90 years. We've made significant investments in our people, our facilities, and our production in order to ensure that we're here for the next 90 years. Everyone at Allantis knows our guiding principles of safety, service, quality, and innovation, and we truly live by those principles every day.
The need to fit more powerful engines into smaller spaces has led to the development of small yet powerful electric motors and transformers. These devices operate at higher temperatures and offer less space to dissipate heat, requiring electrical insulation with better than heat conductivity and the ability to operate at higher temperatures.
Allantis, as well as manufacturers who use Allantis products, have a strong commitment to protecting the environment. Environmental challenges range from air emission reduction to fire protection. These challenges impact the entire life cycle of a product, and in order to meet these challenges, new technology needs to be developed.
Recently, Allantis PDG has installed an evaporative thermal oxidizer in their facility to reuse processed water in the plant, as opposed to disposing of it as a hazardous waste. The company has also introduced Elan Safe, a new waterborne insulating resin that is HAPS-free and low in VOC content. The product is environmentally friendly, safer, and easier to work with than conventional resins.
Allantis PDG is focused on delivering our customers with the best technology for their applications wherever and whenever they want it. That focus, coupled with our strong support of our parent, has really allowed us to be successful. We will continue to invest in R&D and focus on our guiding principles of safety, service, quality, and innovation in order to take us well into the future.